Hi, I'm Sienna Cosmo with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with Pulte Homes in St. Augustine, Florida, taking a look at the Villages of Valencia community. We're going to take you on a tour of the Hartwell plan. Let's get started.
Okay.
Good.
Yep.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're broadcasting today from Villages of Valencia, Pulte Homes' newest community in St. John's County. We're here about 8 miles south of downtown San Agustin, the nation's oldest city, and just 15 minutes away from the beach. Here we plan to build in 101 home sites, 85% of them backing up to nature preserve or lake views. So mostly beautiful home sites with lots of nature and a lot of privacy. The community also has a community pool with a park, a barbecue area, and a playground, and everything for only an HOA fee of $38 a month. We are going to be offering 9 distinctive floor plans ranging from 1,400 to 3,000 square feet with 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2-car garage, and prices from the 230s to the 320s. The home that we're going to showcase today is our Hartwell floor plan. This home is built as a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, with some options that can make it a 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath. Starts at $292,990, and it has 2,374 square feet. So if you're ready, we can go inside. Here, the structural elevation of this home offers a nice porch. And here you can notice an 8-foot door with a glass insert that will let a lot of natural light inside and still keep the privacy. These are just two of the options that we will be having available here in this community. Come on in. Through the front door. On the left, you have a flex room. Right now, we're using it as our design sample room, but depending on the family's needs, it could be a formal dining room for those that want to entertain during the holidays. It can also be a formal living room for those that want some quiet time away from the TV. We also have the option of add double doors, so it could be a den, perfect for a home office, or if you have a family with kids, it could be a study room, or it could be a playroom as well. So we try to give a lot of flexibility depending on what families need. Our plans are also consumer inspired. So we get a lot of feedback from actual residents and prospects on what they're looking for in a home. So one of the things that we hear a lot is closet space and then a separate area for the laundry room. So we're trying to incorporate some of that in this home. So right off the front door, we have a small coat or utility closet, making use of an area that otherwise will be dead space. And we also have the laundry room in the back. So when you come into the home from the garage, you don't have to walk through the laundry room to get into the home. Again, those are small things, but trying to implement things that we have received back from customers that they want in a home. As we walk back to the main living area, we incorporate the open kitchen concept. So everything is connected. And going back to what I mentioned earlier about flexibility, if you notice in the informal dining area, you're able to fit a full-size table. So again, if you choose to use your flex room as something other than a formal dining room, you still have enough room up here to put a full-size table and be able to entertain and have plenty of seating. All of our plans come with a kitchen island, and the way we build our kitchen islands, we keep them at counter height. So that will give the family chef more room for food prepping, and it also allows for more seating area when you're entertaining. Our kitchens come with either granite or quartz as our standard base. You have an option of 3 color quartz, and buyers can also upgrade to up to 7 different granite or quartz options. Same thing with the cabinets, why it's very popular right now. We also offer 19 different cabinet designs and colors for buyers to choose from. And we have over 50 backsplash options. So buyers can either choose our standard offering, they can go for a designer pre-selected package, or they can go ahead and customize and pick their own colors and make the home as unique as they want it to be. Back here, we have the family room. Here you may be able to see one of the tile options that we offer. We have about 2 dozen options for tile, and we have 9 different laminate flooring options as well. So plenty of things to choose from. And again, if you have a big family or big furniture, we offer an option to add 4 feet to this gathering room. So again, we are able to accommodate different needs within the same floor plan. The 8-foot sliding glass door and the 9-foot ceilings are also by design. So it allows more natural light to come into the home. And if your family is one of those families that like to spend time in the backyard, we also offer the option to extend that cover lanai and basically double the size. So you have more room to entertain outside if you're up to that. Coming back inside, this floor plan has the owner suite on the first floor. Again, trying to incorporate some of people's wanting to have the main bedroom within the main floor. Plenty of room. We have here, we're showcasing a drop soffit. Again, show an option that will add more of a dramatic feel to it. And then at our owner suite, it's showcasing here adult height vanities with double sinks. And as you walk through the owner's bath, we offer 3 shower configurations. We have our super walk-in shower that you'll see here. We are also able to do a smaller shower with a big linen closet if somebody puts a premium on storage space. And we're also able to do a shower and garden tub combo. So again, depending on the buyer's needs, we have 3 different ways that we can lay out this bathroom, and that is available in all of our floor plans. We have seen main living areas, kitchen, owner suite, and then the Hartwell has all the secondary bedrooms upstairs. So let's go check them out. As we go up the stairs, I want to mention that we also offer wood or iron spindles. Again, more options for buyers to customize the home and make it fit their style. The first room here is our pink room, with plenty of room for the home princess. think every house needs a pink room, so we have it. In the bedrooms, all the bedrooms come wire, pre-wire, and brace for ceiling fans. Then we have the escape room, the more active type. And we're able to do also recess-like packages in the bedroom. So if somebody wants to do homework at night or do some work before going to bed, we can also accommodate that with some extra lighting. Coming back, these two bedrooms will share a hallway bathroom. Large hallway bathroom showcasing upgraded cabinets, upgraded countertops, and then additional options here. We can also do tile walls, or we can also remove the top and do a walk-in shower. So depending on the family's need, we are able to accommodate what they're looking for.
Okay.
So as I mentioned earlier, this house is normally built as a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, or it could be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And this is where that comes to play. So normally this area here will be a big open loft. So if you want an area to entertain, put a pool table, do a theater room, this is where you will do that. Right now we have it showcased with the extra 4th bedroom. So you have a bedroom with a full bathroom and a walk-in closet, and you still keep a nice seating area. This could be perfect for a guest room or for that teenager that feels that needs a little bit more space. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Hartwell. Come visit us here in San Agustin. We're located at 27 Drive, or you can check us out online at pulte.com/Villages of Valencia. If you have any comments, you can leave it in the box below. Otherwise, have an excellent rest of your day. Thank you.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.